Go.
Hey, welcome, welcome, welcome! Today I got a real easy little painting for you guys to do here. It's a little 9x12, made by Edge, who cares? Nice canvas. And we're just gonna do some really cool stuff here with a wine glass. Yeah, it's the name of the painting here, guys. I kind of just did it real quick here. Rings of Elegance. That's right, we're gonna do some Rings of Elegance here. So stay tuned. Ooh. Oh. Oh, look at that. It's real wine, you can tell. Look at it. Anyways, that's kind of cool. I'm just fucking with you guys here. That's why I do wake up. Anyways, here we go. Woo! Clean that off. Oh, before I even get going here, if you stick around, guys, I'm going to teach you how to paint this beauty right here. She's a beauty. I'm going to teach you how to paint this. Anyways, it's cool. Stay tuned. Stay sub. Stay alert. Stay engaged. Anyways, fun little painting here, like I said. Cool little piece. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna rock and roll. We're gonna get some gray spray paint. Machine gray. I'm using a machine gray here. Get our little wine glass that we just used to drink our cheers with. Oops. That got sticky there. Let's move some stuff out of the way. All right, here we go. Let's go. Rock and roll, man. Woo! Fired up, guys. Fired up. Summer's almost coming around. Can't wait. It's like 13 degrees, but I'm hoping still. Anyways. Rings. Rings are so powerful. They go back in art for thousands and thousands of years. Millions probably. Who knows? Anyways. They're fun to do. You ever see anybody paint with a wine glass? Well, you did today. Foltz art. Foltz art. Saw it here first. Woo! I do everything crazy, guys. Everything crazy. Oh yeah. Just a simple little fast painting. You can do this at home after you get done drinking a couple of glasses of wine. It'll loosen you up. I'm not encouraging anybody to drink, but I'm just saying. If you got some old wine glass and you don't drink anymore, use them for art. Use them for art. Use them like I'm doing right now. Just dipping in some spray paint, machine gray. Having a good time over here. It's going to get a little thin right there. We're going to spray a little bit more there. Oh yeah, we're doing this here. Let's do some more gray. Just a little bit more. A little more. Yeah. Should have shook that paint can up a little bit, but that's okay. We're going good. We're going good. Yeah. Yeah, keep groovy, babies. Oh yeah, see that? Look at that. Nice little grays there. All right, I think that's plenty. That's probably plenty. Yeah, enough overlapping there. Look at that. All right, go with the gray. Maybe one more. I lied. Okay, let's wipe the glass off just a little bit. Woo! Wipe the glass off. Okay, we're gonna switch plates. Switch plates. Switch plates. Okay, now we're gonna get an El Negro black, El Blanco, whatever this is. It's black, dark black. Nice and glossy too. Beautiful, beautiful black. Doesn't have that red coat to it, you know, like most black paints have red to them, like a red tint. This doesn't. So we want to overlap all these grays. Try to not copy the pattern. Try to go around the pattern. Just a little bit like that, so you can cut it off. Even go outside the box. Yeah. Like that, see? See, I didn't pinch that corner. You don't want to override that, so you just want to kind of plop it in, plop it in. Spin your glass while you're doing it. See how I'm spinning that glass? It's all slick. Look at that. Gets it nice and uniform. Isn't that crazy cool? Woo! We're having fun now, babies. This is a simple, simple thing. Anybody can do this. So I encourage you to get some wine glasses or cups. But wine glasses work really super great. And it's slick. That slick feeling, that helps the paint come off the glass really easy. Helps it do a nice imprint. Like I said, overlap. See right there, overlap. Overlap here. Yeah, that tune's a little funky, huh? That guy's crazy. That's Mark being crazy. Gotta give the guy credit, man. He's a good blues player too. Woo, I am a good blues player too. Anyways, look at that. That's it. We're almost done. We're just kind of really finishing line. We're seeing the finish line. Some of those made like a little figure eight. Some of them are thinner, and some of these have a lot of different circles. Yeah, that was wild, man. Here we go. Look at that. Let's get that edge. It needs a little bit more black. Right about there. There we go. Maybe a little bit more right there. And maybe right there. There we go. Hear that little cupping sound? That was cool. I think we're done. I think we're done with that. Yep, I think so. A little bit more dark right there. And then maybe right there. Okay, I'm done with that. I kind of like it. Okay, now we're going to just get a little bit of silver. Silver jazz! And splatter just silver on that sucker. Give it a little highlight there. Dude, watch out, camera. I don't want to get you. Come and take a look at it after I'm splattering. Okay, I'm going to flip it over to red now. Give it a little jazz, just a little jazz. Red. And you don't want to use too much. You just accent that sucker. Not big globs. It kind of go all over so you get even tones, see? Oh, yeah. Kind of digging that, man. All right, let's get some going. Look at that. Razzle dazzle, there we go, guys. And there you have it. Check that out. Rings of Elegance. Peace out. Foltz art. Do your homework.